Good morning, my name is Doug Carroll. I'm a control consultant with Clark Mosquito Control Product. I'm here today with the vector control specialist here at Doña County. And what we're doing is our annual required calibration of the spray equipment that they use. The reason we want to calibrate this equipment is because we want the droplet size to be correct. We have to have the right flow rates coming out of the machine, and the droplet size is probably the most important thing that this machine does. If the droplets that you see coming out of the machine at night are so tiny that you can't see an individual droplet with your bare eye. And so I have some specialized equipment here that will measure those droplets and make sure that they fall within the right size parameters. If the droplets are too large, they'll just come out and they'll hit the ground. If they're too small, they won't actually impact the mosquito. And so there is an optimum size for these droplets to do their job at killing the mosquitoes that we're after. They only stay airborne for about 20 to 30, 45 minutes at the max. And in that period of time, the mosquitoes have to be present and on the wing and flying around. They will then impact these droplets while they're out flying around. And so timing is very important as when they go out and make an application in the evening. But the droplet size is very important. So there's certain parameters that we have to meet on the label to maintain the proper size. After these droplets hit the ground, nothing else happens. The mosquito is not going to come and land on these droplets after they're on the ground. These droplets quickly degrade under sunlight within 24 hours, and they are basically inert at that time. So we're going to go through a process here of calibrating the flow. We're going to do a flow check on the machine, and then we're going to do a droplet test on the machine, and you'll see some of the specialized equipment that we use to do that. And again, that's to make sure that these machines are running at their most effective and efficient manner to do the job of eradicating mosquitoes here in Doña County.
You adjusted it?
Yeah, adjusted it.
Using this equipment, we were able to measure the droplets, the individual droplets coming out of that machine. Like I said before, these droplets are so tiny individually, you can't see one by itself. And so this was all designed to measure those droplets, and it gives us a readout on our screen of the spectrum of all these different droplet sizes. And so we have to have a median diameter of a certain diameter. And so that's what we're trying to achieve. And if the droplets are too big and out of label specs, then we have to make adjustments to the machine. And also, if the droplets are too small, we have to make adjustments to the machine. But as it turns out, this machine, as we tested it, turned out perfectly, so we don't have to make any adjustments at all. And so that's the precision that's involved in making sure this equipment is doing the job it's supposed to do.